We're harvesting nasturtium seeds today. It's October, it's the middle of October, and these have just started to seed. And so you can go ahead and pick these when they're still on the plant and they're green or white. So I'll just go ahead and pick those. And some of them have fallen, so I'll take those as well. So there we have a lot because we have about 6 to 8 nasturtium plants, and so we're harvesting a lot because they can get pretty expensive. About, let's see, what did I pay for them? $3 for 5 seeds. So we're gonna go ahead and harvest these, dry them, and plant them next year.